I'm at Pilates Workout, where all you need is yourself and the mat. We're going to sit at the very front end of your mat with the knees bent, legs together, feet together, hands behind your legs, lengthen nice and tall. We're going to take a deep breath in, exhale and lengthen those arms and draw those ribs back towards the mat and bring it back up. Just a nice warm up in lengthening the spine, lengthening those arms, using those abdominal muscles, and inhale, exhale, lengthen back. Inhale, come back up. One more. And exhale, lengthen back. Reach. Come all the way up. This time we're going to go all the way back. And you're going to lie down. Bring those arms down by your side. Draw those feet a little bit closer towards your buttocks. Hands on top of your thighs. We're going to inhale, exhale, just reach towards your knees. Find your abdominal muscles and bring it back down. Do that again and lengthen as you're reaching forward. Make sure that those hips are relaxed and you're not curling and using those hip flexors. I don't want you to come too high. You just come high just enough where you can maintain those hips nice and relaxed. And do that one more time. And inhale, exhale, reach, stay here. Reach those arms long by your side. And you're going to pump those arms up and down. And think of pumping those arms from your back muscles, not from your shoulders. Keep reaching. Inhale and exhale for 5. And take a deep breath in. And exhale for 5. And inhale. And exhale. Keep moving. Draw the right leg in towards your chest. And exhale. And draw the other leg in towards your chest. And exhale. Let's lengthen both legs up towards the ceiling. And exhale. Maintain those knees soft. You can lengthen those legs a little further away from you. And exhale. And only go as far as you can maintain those hips still relaxed. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Reach, reach, reach. And draw those knees into your chest. And relax. Place those feet again down on the floor. We're going to hold on to those legs. Keep those legs together so you have more help as you're coming up. And you're going to take a deep breath. As you exhale, you draw yourself up and you can pull yourself up if you need assistance. And if you have a hard time coming up, it's okay for you to stay down. So if you have a hard time coming up, you can just come up as long as you can maintain, because the work is still there on your abdominal muscles. And if you can inhale and exhale, go all the way forward, lengthen, and then draw your body away from your legs, keeping those hips nice and relaxed. Inhale, exhale, take it up, and reach forward, and take it back. Release, and take it up, and reach forward, and exhale. Keep doing this. And if this is good and you're maintaining those hips relaxed, you can lengthen those legs and you can lengthen those arms, maintaining those ribs nice and anchored. Inhale, exhale, take it up and forward and reach. And take it back and lengthen those arms. And arms up, head, neck, and shoulders up and forward and reach. And take it back. And back again. And up and forward. And reach. Keep hugging through those inner thighs. Keep hugging to the center. One more time. Up and forward and reach. And exhale. Take it back. And bring those arms down by your side. You're going to bring the right knee into your chest. Give yourself a little stretch here. You can lengthen the leg. Give yourself a little stretch here. Bring those arms down. Keep the leg nice and long. Those hips relaxed. We're going to do a leg circle. So circle around and up. Only go as wide as you can maintain the torso still. 3 and up and 4 and up. One more. 5 and reverse the circle. Down, around, and lift. And down, around, and 2. And down, around, and 3. Down, around, and 4. Down, around, and 5. Bend the knee. Place the leg down and out. Pull the other leg in towards your chest. Lengthen the leg up towards the ceiling. Give yourself a stretch again. Lengthen, arms down. Anchor those hips. Reach the leg nice and long towards the ceiling. Cross circle around and lift. Cross circle around and 2. Cross around and 3. Cross around and 4. And cross around and 5. Reverse. Cross and up and down. Cross and 2. Cross and 3. 2 more. And 4. 1 more. And 5. Bend the leg. Place it all the way down. You can bend your knees or maintain those legs long. Roll all the way up to a seated position. I want you to stay towards the front end of your mat. You're going to draw those legs in. I want you to find those abdominal muscles and find the balance. So draw those legs in. Curl those abdominal muscles back towards your back. Anchor those shoulders and hold this position. When you're holding this position, you want to bring the weight of your body a little bit towards the back. And then just challenge yourself right before you're about to fall. You can take those hands, place it on your ankles, or maintain it on your knees. It's whatever it works for you. Hold it. And then draw those abdominal muscles so deep into your back that you're just about ready to roll, and you can roll with ease. Back and take it up and balance. Take a deep breath, inhale back. Exhale up and balance. That will help you come up. Inhale, lift those hips. And exhale, lift and hold. Again, inhale back. Exhale up and balance. 2 more. And take it back. Lift those hips and bring it up. It gets better each time. Hold. 1 more. Take it back. And come up and balance. Hold and place your feet down. We're going to move back a little bit. We're going to, same as a half a roll down, except that we're going to go all the way down and lengthen the torso nice and long. We're going to do a 5 series with a little bit of add-ons. So we can work deep into those abdominal muscles with the proper form. Hips are relaxed. Hands back on top of those thighs. Keep those legs together, hugging through the center. Inhale, exhale, take it up and hold. 2, 3, and roll down. And inhale, exhale, take it forward. Try to relax those hips and not push those hips up to tuck. And bring it down again. And exhale, take it up. Hold. This time you're going to reach those arms up without moving your torso. Maintaining that upper body exactly where it started. And inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, take it forward. Inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, take it forward. Think of up towards the ceiling as opposed to back towards behind you. And take it forward. Hold. We're going to draw the right knee into your chest. From here, exactly in this exact position, you just lengthen the leg up. So I don't want that leg all the way down. You draw the leg in, but don't draw it so far in that you're pushing your upper body back. So draw it in and maintaining the hip relaxed, and switch, pull, and switch. 2 and 2. Always bringing those legs right through the center. Don't let those legs float out to the side. And pull, and pull. Again, pull to your chest, and pull, and pull, and pull, pull, and pull. Breathe with ease. Pull. 1 more. Pull and pull. Bring those legs in and rest your head down. Same thing, maintaining those hips down. You're going to draw your body towards your leg, not your legs towards your body. So those hips stay on the floor. Head, neck, and shoulders. You draw those legs in. Arms and legs up towards the ceiling. Circle those arms around and pull it in. Try not to throw those arms back because it's going to throw your upper body back. And think up as opposed to back. Inhale, lengthen. Those legs go out no lower than a 45-degree angle. So it's at your working level. And pull. And inhale, exhale, pull. Inhale, out, exhale, pull. 2 more. Out, exhale, pull. 1 more. Out, circle around and pull. And draw all the way down. So you can rest in between. So you can be nice and efficient on each set that you do. Head, neck, and shoulders. Again, maintaining those hips down. Draw that upper body up towards your legs. You're going to lengthen those legs up towards the ceiling. Draw 1 leg in. Maintain those legs long with the knees soft. Pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull. 2, 2. pull, pull. 3, 3, lengthen those legs. 4, 4, and pull. Again, 5, 5, and pull. Pull, pull, lengthen, keep lengthening both legs in opposition. One more, in, pull, pull, and bend those legs. And we're going to keep those hands behind your thighs. We're going to keep those hips down again. Head, neck, and shoulders come up towards your legs. Legs go straight up towards the ceiling where the legs are on top of those hips. Draw everything in, but maintain those hips down. Draw those legs, lengthen away from you, and bring it right back to the center. And take it out, 2, 3, and pull it in. Lengthen out, 2, 3, and draw it back in. And as you do each one of these exercises, watch and pay attention to your own body. Because if your neck gets tired and tight, you rest in between. It's okay. You're still working very deep. And hold. Keep those legs here. You're going to place those hands behind your neck. Stay up. Elbows are slightly in as opposed to bringing all the way out. One leg down at a time. So right leg goes down and comes up and hold. Left leg all the way down and bring it up and hold. Right leg down and hold it up. And lengthening through those hips and out and lift. And out and pull it up again. Out, 2, 3, and lift. And out, 2, 3, and lift. One more. Down, 2, 3, and left leg. Take it down, 2, 3, and hold. And rest in between. Hold. And we're going to draw the head, neck, and shoulders all the way up again. You're going to lengthen those legs up. You can repeat what we did before, or this is the more advanced version where the hands go behind your neck, both legs go away from you, and both legs come all the way up, back on top of those hips. Out, 2, 3, and lift. Lengthen out, 2, 3, 1 count to come up. And you go as low as you can maintain those hips anchored. You can go all the way down only if you can maintain those hips anchored and no arching in the back. You lengthening through those hips. And out, 2, 3, and pull it up. And out, 2, 3, and pull it up. 2 more. Lengthen away and lift and lengthen out and lift and bend. We're going to place those legs back down where the feet are flat on the mat, keeping those legs together, feet together, because that will help you find that midline, which will help you come up. We're going to take those hands behind your neck again. We're going to lift the head, neck, and shoulders. Once you get to the nice higher position where the hips are relaxed, you're going to draw that left shoulder towards your right hip. Come back to center and take it to the other side. It's a very small movement and you want to try to stay as high up as you can. And center to the left. And center to the right. And center to the left. And center. Come back down. Draw those knees into your chest. And we're going to do crisscross. Right knee towards your left shoulder. Lengthening up and not out to the side. And switch. 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. Maintaining the neck long, but your gaze towards the front. And twist and cross. 2 more. Maintaining those elbows wide and bring it down and relax. We're going to take those legs down. Lift those arms up and come up into a seated position. We're going to do spine stretch forward. So those legs are just a little wider than your mat. Shoulders on top of those hips. Think of an imaginary wall behind you. So you're going to almost feel like you're leaning back as opposed to straight. So you're back here. You're going to take those arms nice and long, shoulder width apart, and the height of your shoulder. From here, flex your feet, draw the energy through the heels, and maintain those knees soft. We're going to take a deep breath, inhale. As you exhale, keep from the waist to the hips intact without moving, and draw the upper body forward, drawing those ribs back as you go forward and come all the way up. Inhale to come up, exhale to lengthen. Inhale to come up and exhale to lengthen. forward, 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 reach. And be careful not to reach from the shoulders, meaning you're going to draw the shoulders up towards your neck. You want them down away. Think of the energy coming through the crown of your head. Come all the way up. You're gonna bring those arms down. Maintaining those arms down. Press both hands onto the floor. Round yourself forward towards with the elbows bent and push the floor away, drawing those ribs. Think of growing nice and tall from the waist. Right here. Pull the ribs back without leaning back. So you're still leaning forward. And draw those ribs away, keeping the neck nice and long. From here, take those arms forward. There's your position right there. And lengthen up. Inhale. Exhale. Reach, reach, reach. And come up. And exhale. Reach. And come up. One more. And exhale. Reach, reach. And come all the way up.